When you move places from the United States, you are asked to provide a driving record from the state in which you stayed. Okay, so for example, if you are moving to Canada, then in order to get the Canada driving license or exchange your United States driving license for a Canada driving license, you are asked to submit your United States driving license. Now, why do you exchange your licenses for a Canada license? Is because you want to add your driving history to the new Canada driving license so that the insurance or the car insurance premium is less. So this is the reason why people do the exchange of the licenses. And in order to do that, you also need to submit a certified driving history from the state of United States. So for example, if you have stayed in Texas, you need to provide a certified driving record from the Department of Public Sector, Department of Motor Vehicles of Texas. So let us see how do we order that. So in Texas, it is called as DPS, Texas. You need to go to the website of Department of Public Safety in order to get a certified driving history record. In this, you need to go to driving license. In this, you need to go to DL requirements. Then here it is talking about the frequently used service, but our driving record history order does not lie in the frequently used service. Click on online services. Now this takes you to some of the renewal and the new Texas driving license options. But if you come down over here, it is saying driver record, which says request a driver record. This website does not support. Okay. So click on request a driver record. Now you need to click on continue. Then it says you need to check your system requirements, and for that you would have to validate a test file. So the password for that test file is 1234. Click on print test record 1234. So this is a sample driving record history. It will be issued by Texas Department of Public Safety, and it will be requested by the name of the person, and there will also be the address, the date of birth of the person, gender, eye color, driving license number, the date original issued, what is the driving license type, the class, the date last issued, and date of expiration. So what it means is date originally issued is the issue date of the first driving license, and date last issued is the date of issue of the current unexpired driving license, and this is the expiration date of the current unexpired driving license. And restrictions should be none, endorsement is none, and driver eligibility is eligible, administrative status is none. Now there will also be another section, record of events. It indicates the number of accidents or any incidents that have happened. So if you have never been involved in an accident, it will mention no events recorded. So that kind of a disclaimer will also be part of the driving history. So in order to get your driving history, you need to acknowledge over here that everything is working fine in your browser. Then click on continue. Then it's gonna ask you some of the personal information for login, and then you can order your driving record history. It's asking your driving license number, then it is going to ask the date of birth, then it asks the last four digits of social security number, and then it is going to ask a DD number. And where is the DD number located? Is it is in the bottom center. So if this is a driver's license, a sample driver's license, the first DL, it is the driver's license number, and the DD number or the audit number is the last number which is present in the bottom center. Okay. And In the newer design also it's the same type. You need to provide those information and then click on this login. After login, it is going to ask you to select driver record type. So basically, if you are exchanging your Texas driving license for a Canada driving license, you would probably want a complete driving history, not just a 3-year driving history. And that has to be a certified driving history. So basically, this is the certified complete driving history. It is type 3A. So this is most often recommended, and I would also recommend this, not just 3-year driving history. If you just order 3-year driving history, which is this one, only 3 years of driving history will be added to your profile in Canada driving license. So I recommend type 3A. Now, after that, you would have to enter your mailing address, giving your first name, last name, the address line 1, city, state, and zip code. And also, please remember at the end of the order after the payment, you will also receive an email with your complete driving history. Okay. After providing the mailing address, it is going to ask you to verify all the details. So at first it will have name and address, then it is going to show you the type of record requested, which is type 3A that we have requested for the complete driving history, also certified. And for that, the type 3A fee is $10, and the texas.gov processing fee through the website is $2. In total, you are going to pay $12. Now, after this, you need to click on proceed to payment. On the next page, it is going to ask us the credit card number, expiration date, CVV or the 3-digit code on the back of the card most often, or sometimes it's also on the front of the credit cards for Amex cards. Then it is going to ask the billing address. Billing address might not be same as the mailing address always. So whatever is the billing address for the credit card, you need to enter that information. You need to enter the information of the first name and last name of the person whose credit card is being used, and also the billing address of that particular person for the credit card. Then you need to click on I am human and then click on submit to proceed with the receipt of the driving history record. Once the credit card information is submitted, the payment or the transaction goes through successfully. Now you will be able to print the driver record by clicking on this particular button. It will open the PDF file, and which you can download, or you can also enter your email address over here and confirm with the same email address over here and click on send email. So this sends you the complete certified driving history of the person that you have applied for, and you need to take this document along with the driving license from the state of Texas and other supporting documentation in order to exchange the driving license of Texas and get a driving license of a province in Canada. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. If it has been, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.